AMC Upper Primary Question 27. On my chicken farm, where I have 24 pens, the pens were a bit crowded, so I built 6 more pens, and the number of chickens in each pen reduced by 6. How many chickens do I have? Okay, so in this question, I'll have x as the chickens because this is an algebra question. So x equals chickens, so and y equals chickens per pen. So, okay, so the first formula we should know is x divided by 24 equals y. So, chickens per 24 pens equals a number of chickens per pen. And 30 divided by this x divided by 30 equals y minus 6. Chickens and 30 pens equals same amount of um, chickens per pen minus 6. But okay, we have these two. Let's find the nth. So let's substitute. So x divided by 30 equals brackets x minus x divided by 24 bracket minus 6. So using this, we will move on. But let's make it into fraction. So x over 30 equals x over 24 minus 6. So let's move 6 over the equal sign. So 6 equals x over 24 e- minus the third x over 30. Okay, so 6 equals now 30x minus 24x over 24 times 30 because we switched the x with 30 and 24 with x, and then we had those two numbers at the bottom stay together and multiply themselves. So 6 equals 6x divided by 720 So now we divide 6 on both sides. So 6 divided by 6 equals 6x divided by 720 times 6. So we cross out the 6's. So 6 over 6 is 1 equals x over 720. So 1 equals x over 720. Almost done now. We do 720 on both sides. So 1 times 720 equals x times 720 over 720. Now we cross out the 720s. We can go move on. So we cross out that 1 because 720 times 1 is 720. So now 720 equals x. So 720 is how much chickens is in his collection. The final answer is 720.